Good evening. A call for action tonight from a community heavily impacted by gun violence. Residents in the Jane and Falstaff area gathered today in an effort to raise awareness and create tangible change to stop ongoing gun violence in the area.
Why not a funeral? Why not a grieving family? Why not a grieving community? We've been here before. How long do we have to continue doing this before we take it serious?
A heartfelt plea from a community shattered by another life lost to gun violence.
Hashim was a decent, hard-working young man. He has done everything that his family and his community have asked him. And yet again, here in his own community, he's not safe.
20-year-old Hashim Omar Hashi was fatally shot on January 31st when he was attempting to drive his car into a garage of his apartment building near Jane and Falstaff.
We have been here before, talking about gun violence in our city.
If we do not get rid of the reasons behind why people are picking up these guns, the violence is just going to continue. It's not going to stop.
Evelyn Fox has felt the impact of gun violence herself after her 26-year-old son was fatally shot 5 years ago. She has been advocating for stricter regulations and community support ever since.
We're still at the same point, except for it's getting worse. It's not decreasing. We are continuously repeating ourselves, saying the exact same things over and over and over again, and nobody's listening.
Our government is taking action, solid action against gun violence.
The Liberal government recently put forward proposed gun control legislation, which would permit cities to ban handguns along with a buyback program. The legislation would also see border security keep a closer eye on the U.S.-Canada border to prevent gun smuggling. But advocates say banning guns isn't the answer to the root of the cause that's contributing to the senseless loss of life.
The guns flow across the province borders all the time and the municipal borders all the time undetected because there is no way to stop that. So I want to know how it is that the federal government thought that was a genius plan.
When somebody loses their life to gun violence, the family, the community, the friends, we're all impacted. So why is this not a crisis?
Toronto has seen 39 shootings so far this year. Hashim's death was the city's 5th homicide of 2021.